Okay, so today I am taking out an old dishwasher. Tomorrow I'm putting in a new one. And so I thought I'd record it just for fun. And I saw a bunch of videos on YouTube on how to do this. So I'm just going off of that. So far I have taken off the front panel, as you can see, which consisted of only 4 screws, so that nothing big there, you know, no biggie. But and I turned off the electricity, which is also very important, so I don't electrocute myself. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off the water right now. Should take off the electrical. And it looks like there's just one screw right there. Of course, it's the wrong size. So the electrical box is right there. And that's where I'm going to disconnect the power.
Alright, so I double checked that the power would be off by trying to run the dishwasher, and no lights came on. So, because the breaker that did say power to the dishwasher was not the breaker. So I left that off and then turned off a couple other breakers, just in case.
Okay, so the wiring is now free. Let's try to take this off.
Anyway, the incoming line that I'm trying to take off, as you can see. Let me see if I can see it. It's right there. That white tube goes to that copper fitting there. And of course, that's where the electrical box was. It's the incoming electrical and the electrical connections for the dishwasher. So this is the bad boy that I'm trying to get off right there.
There we go. Little grunt, help me out. Yeah, it's probably going to be a little water.
So, as you can see, remember that, this paper towel, take the line off, and I'm going to show you where I turned the line. So, you see this line right here, okay? I knew that was the line, because it goes through the wall. I don't think I'm going to be able to see it, but, yeah, barely. So that's the line right there. And so, a lot of YouTube videos that show taking out a dishwasher, they don't show this in depth. And so you can see these valves, when they're straight up and down with the tubing, the water's going to flow. Makes sense, right? So to turn this valve off, you have it perpendicular to the hose, ergo shutting off the water line from the hot to the dishwasher. Okay, so and then this is the exit tubing, whatever it's called, the return line.
One of the next steps is to take out these 2 screws. One here, one there.
At the front of the dishwasher there are these footers. And see, one there, already raised that one up off the ground. You want to take these up a little bit so that the dishwasher slides out. quite nicely.
The drain hose is, the connection to it is way back there in the middle. I can't really get to it. So, I needed to be able to, the guy that installed it basically connected the drain hose so there wasn't any slack in it. So I had to undo what he did so I could have some slack. So I can pull this out a little bit, disconnect the drain hose, and then I'll be good to go. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to disconnect that, and this dishwasher will be completely out. There we go. Oh, that's a lot. Uh-oh. That was a lot of water. There you have it. Here is where the dishwasher was.